Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you guys can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. I want to show you this training, okay, how effective it is and how it's helped me to increase. Okay, I already have an email list and it's growing every day, but using this training has helped me increase my leads, as well as one of the social platforms that I'm on. It's helped me get more exposure to that by using some of the training that they have in this system. So I want to show you this, okay, the results that this thing works. All right, so learn 300 a day blueprint, right? We talk about that and posting the pre-written ads. They are effective. I've already shown you proof of payments that I've made with this system. Let me show you the training. Let's just get into that. There's 3 different trainings, okay, that's here. Influencer brand marketing, internet automation secrets, and 6-figure blueprint. I'm a pro member, okay, with the 6-figure blueprint, because you get more training here, you get more ads, okay. It's just so much more that you get, not to mention you can make $300 commissions, okay, if you purchase the $300 product. That allows you to qualify for the 150 commissions and the 50. You get all 3. All right, guys. And then we have what they call the live trainings that you can get in the Facebook group. Be a part of those. All right, but it's way more than just the ads. All right, you get a daily method of operation as well, 7-day fast action plan. I mean, the list goes on and on. You can go to my link in the description, go check it out. The copypastemethod.com is what I like to call it, because if you copy what they're telling you to do here, you can get results as well. Okay, I'm just going to show you. I use this system called the Conversion Pros. In the Conversion Pros, I can create my own capture pages, my landing pages. I have a lot of leeway to how I want that to be perceived, okay, and building my list. Okay, so I've created, outside of another system that I use, another marketing system that I use to promote this program, I've created a separate a sales funnel. Okay, and let me just show you just some of the lists that I have created and the leads that I have by learning some of the strategies in this training. Now remember, this training shows you how to market for free, how you can post ads free because you're using social media, classified ads, things of that nature. So let me just show you some of the lists that I've created. Check this out. Okay, I am in the Conversion Pros and I'm covering this up because I have a lot of share codes out here. Okay, but if you look in the middle, and I have several of these pages I've created, okay, in autoresponders. But look here, here's one. I created one specifically for IPS. This is a second one, but this one right here, it says 700, right here, it shows the contacts, 741 contacts. Okay, and then right here, and this is in the Conversion Pros, guys. I'll put the link in the description for this system too. Right here, I created one for TechSpot. Okay, I have 1,202 leads. You see this? Contacts. Over 1,000 leads, okay, from following some of this training that I've learned in IPS. Okay, and I can show you guys how I'm doing it too, but I'm using the Conversion Pros to do this. Mind you, the Conversion Pros, I invested $50 in this system and made over $9,000 in commissions with the Conversion Pros alone. Okay, so I know what I'm doing. All right, so this training is very effective if you apply it. Okay, I'll show you guys that once again. We're at 95, 31, 20 in the Conversion Pros. Okay, so applying the training, creating my capture pages, my sales funnels for all these different opportunities. Okay, and this is just the Conversion Pro. So that's not counting the affiliate programs that I'm actually promoting, okay? So with that being said, I highly recommend getting started with this training. You decide which level you want to get started with, but I recommend the pro level. That's where I am, because you can get the most out of all the training and maximize your commissions, and you don't leave any money on the table, okay? And for everybody that joins at that pro level, I will run your first ad campaign, okay, your solo ad, because this program only comes with the website, okay? It comes with the website and your members area, but there is no sales funnels, okay? So I'm using the Conversion Pros as one of the sales funnels and another marketing system, but the Conversion Pros is the one that gives me the flexibility to create all the capture pages I want, all the sales funnels I want, my own autoresponder. And that's what I just showed you, all those leads that I have coming in from the training that I'm learning over here. Not to mention increasing my social media exposure, okay, on TikTok, Instagram, and so forth, okay? So pick one of these trainings, guys. It's gonna be no monthly fees with this, one-time payment. It's $25 for your website. It takes a couple days for them to create your website because it's customized to you. As you can see, your picture would be here, your social media link will be here. So give it 2 to 3 days. It could be less, but 2 to 3 days. They'll create your own specific page and your payment buttons. You can get paid any way you want. You decide, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, whatever you want. You specify that, they'll build your page just like this. Okay, so one-time investment. So if you start at the starter level, you're looking at $75 one time. If you start at the elite level, it's $175 one time. If you start at the pro level, it's $325 one time. Okay, no monthly fees. All right, guys, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. So next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Don't forget, please go to check the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Watch this video, get all the details. Come down, okay? Come down, check out the levels here. But if you come here, watch this video, and it will kind of help you figure out, well, which level should I join at? Okay, which one will be more beneficial for me? So make sure you check this one out as well. Okay, and then come down and look at this projection. Okay, this is basically an illustration of, depending on which level you join, it kind of give you a projection of what the possibilities are by joining specific levels. Okay, so you decide, get in where you fit in. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.